Hi everyone, welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there, good to see you again. Or hear you again. I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. If you're new here, this is English Coffee Time, the channel where we speak real, everyday American English, slowly and clearly, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners.
We don't upload every day, but we post long conversations regularly. You can listen while you drink coffee, walk, drive, or do chores. Listening often is key to improvement.
Listening is the secret to really improving English fast. So hit that red subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a new episode.
Notifications on. We're so happy you're here.
Ready for today's coffee chat? We're talking about something super important, how to improve your listening skills in English. We'll share real tips, stories, and fun experiences to make it easy and interesting.
Listening is key to understanding spoken English. We'll go slow, repeat phrases, explain meanings, and add exercises for you to follow along.
Hey Neo, how have you been? I've been thinking about our last chat. I realized how much listening practice helps. But sometimes podcasts or movies are hard to follow. How can we get better?
Hi, Emma. Listening is tricky at first, especially for beginners, but with practice, it gets easier. Let me share some stories and tips that really worked for me.
Awesome. First, why is listening so important?
Studies show listening makes up about 45% of daily communication, more than speaking. I remember learning Spanish. I listened to radio shows every day. After a month, I understood words I didn't know before.
That's inspiring. Tip 1, listen every day. Even 10 minutes helps.
Yes, start small. Consistency matters. For beginners, children's stories, slow podcasts. I have a funny memory. Once I listened to a kid's audiobook about animals, and my friend thought I was babysitting. It helped me learn new words.
Cute. What about choosing materials for intermediates? News, TED Talks?
Beginners, graded audio. Research says slow material builds confidence, then move to real conversations. Apps like Duolingo, BBC Learning English are great for short clips.
BBC is perfect. Let's practice a listening exercise. I'll say a sentence slowly. You repeat.
Sure.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Repeating helps your ears recognize sounds.
Memory. I watched Peppa Pig. At first, I understood nothing. Subtitles helped me catch words like mud or jump.
Cartoons are amazing. Visuals help comprehension 65%. Story. Once in the US, I didn't understand fast food orders. Cashier said, "Do you want fries with that?" So fast. I said, "What?" 3 times. Embarrassing, but motivating.
Oh no, but that's real life. Tip, listen to different accents. Start with American English.
Podcasts like English Class 101 are perfect. Listen without text first, then check transcript.
Transcripts are lifesavers. What is active listening?
Active listening, don't just hear, think meaning. Pause, summarize. Example, after a sentence, ask, "What's the main idea?"
Memory. School teacher played audio and asked questions. What color was the car? Trained my brain to focus.
Classic exercise. Fact, questioning retention 50%. Songs work too. Listen to Adele, Hello. Catch words like hello from the other side.
Songs are fun. Tip, use Lyrics Training app. Blanks out words to fill in.
Love it. Intermediates, YouTube at 0.75 speed first, then normal.
YouTube videos worked for me. Slow first, faster later. Now I follow recipes.
Funny story. English pancake recipe. Misheard baking powder is baking flour. Pancakes, flat. Lesson, listen carefully.
Homophones are tricky. There, there. Minimal pairs help. Ship, sheep, bat, bet.
Great. Ship is a boat. Sheep is an animal.
Great. Shadowing, repeat immediately after speaker.
Shadowing builds fluency. I shadowed news anchors. Felt silly, but improved pronunciation.
I tried podcasts. Memory, shadowing a story about a lost dog. Repeated so much, my roommate thought I was crazy.
Shadowing improves listening 30% in weeks.
Immersion, surround yourself with English.
Phone, computer, Netflix in English. GPS memory. Turn right in 200 yards. Learn fast.
Yards? UK uses meters. Tip, note cultural differences.
Intermediates, conversation clubs online. Hello Talk.
Met a friend from Texas. He said barbecue, so southern, hard to understand.
Over 20 U.S. accents. Start with General American.
Let's role-play accents. I'm southern. How y'all doing today?
I'm doing fine, thank y'all. Y'all is you all.
Fun. Challenges? Don't understand?
Guess from context. Ask, could you say that again?
Memory. Cafe, would you like cream or sugar? Misheard, dream or super. Got extra sugar.
Focus on keywords, not every word. Nouns and verbs matter. Audiobooks, start simple. The Little Prince.
Reading while listening doubles comprehension.
Harry Potter, magic words confusing first, stories pull you in.
Stories motivate. Memory, fairy tales as a kid, learned once upon a time.
Intermediate, news podcasts, short episodes. Take notes on who, what, where, why.
Practice. I went to the park. Big tree, small dog running.
Main points, park, tree, dog, running.
Extend. Dog brown, friendly, chased ball.
Summarizing improves memory 40%.
TV shows. Friends, The Office. Watch without subs first, then with.
Friends, Ross's pivot scene, so funny. Learn new word.
Repeat funny lines.
Music, Taylor Swift, Ed Sheeran. Sing along.
Group practice. Listen, discuss with friends. Online forums too.
Record yourself reacting. Memory, I recorded, heard mistakes.
Progress.
Slang, gonna is going to.
Natives use contractions 80% of the time. Practice, I'm gonna go.
Idioms, break a leg, good luck. Story, friend said before speech, I thought injury. Context teaches.
More tools, language exchange apps.
Talk and listen.
Meta-Canadian learned A, cultural nuance.
Beginners, alphabet songs, nursery rhymes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Simple.
Advanced, Oprah podcasts. Pause, predict next words. Prediction activates listening areas.
Mystery podcast, predicted wrong, fun learning.
Outdoor listening. People watch, cafes, parks.
Be ethical.
Wrap-up tips. Set goals, 20 minutes daily. Track, celebrate small wins.
Understanding full sentence is win.
Exactly.
Thanks, Neo. Long but super helpful.
Anytime. Practice listening to us.
Today's chat, improving listening skills.
Question for you. Favorite listening practice? Podcast, song, or show?
Funny listening mistakes? Share them.
We read and reply to comments.
Subscribe to English Coffee Time. Practice regularly.
Little steps equal big progress.
See you next time.
Right here on English Coffee Time.
Thumbs up, Subscribe, bell for new coffee chats regularly.
Thanks for your coffee time. See you next episode.
Bye for now. Take care and keep practicing.